Hi guys, welcome to Code&Innovate YouTube channel. So today's session we are going to see how we can able to delete an element from the given position of an array. So for that we are going to write the code in Java. So see, this is a sample input they are given. The data is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. They have entered the position 3. So the position always starts from 1. So first position 10, second position 20, third position is 30. When the position is 3, okay, which is index number 2. So always to get the index, what you have to do? Position minus 1, we will get the index which is 2. Okay, that particular data I have to delete, and then remaining data I have to print as the output. So this is the question they have given. So for this, how we can think logically? Let's see, get into the code. So in the C, what we are going to do? So here I have initialized declare an array and initialize some data for that. So the array is A. Okay. So and then I have used the object for scanner class, and then I am getting the position to delete from the user itself, which position you want to delete. And then so for make it easy, I am converting that position to what? Index. Okay, so which index I need to delete. So now here if condition, see, before deletion, whatever the data user has been entered, okay, that particular position is there or not, I need to cross verify. So for that only this if else block. Okay, for example, the index, if it is user has been entering any number which is less than 0, it is invalid position, right? Or else the user is entering any data which is greater than the array, so that at that time we can't able to delete anything from an array. So for that exceptional cases we are writing this if condition and coming to the else block. Okay, so now if after finding the index, so what we are going to do here? So in deletion, my modified array will what happen? Automatically it will decrease the size when compared to my original array. So I will create one array with the size 1 less here, and then I am using one for loop, and that's what I am going to do in this sense. Listen carefully. Two variable, okay, one variable I is equal to 0 for my original array, and this is for my modified array. So I'm iterating up to my original array because of all the elements I need to iterate, so that when it is equal, okay, so when the index is equal at particular time only, I will not copy this data from my original into the modified. Okay, otherwise what will have I have to do? Remaining all data I have to copy. So that's why they have given one if condition. When I is not equal to index, when it is not equal, at that time only we have to copy the data. So this is 2, yeah, is it right? So this is second position. So second index data, it is that 30. So the same index user has been entered in the sense, but that particular time I will not enter into the loop at that time, because it will condition become false. So I will check before copying the data into my modified array. Each and every time I will check whether it is equal to, it is not equal to that particular data. If it is not equal in the sense only, I will copy the data and I will increment the modified array. Otherwise, we can't able to copy the array. Okay, copy the data from that array. So this is what the logic they are using. See in this. So now, so if the position they have entered 3, so this is a position they have entered in the sense, first I will get the index of this position minus 1, I will get the index 2. So second index, at this index data I will delete. So I will copy this directly, I will copy this directly. So but when it is say second index data, okay, so when it is I is 2, So same, it is also second index. So at that time I will not enter into the loop because this is what I need to delete, right? So at that time I will not enter into the loop. So what I will do, directly this data I will get inside, directly this data I will bring this position. Okay, so when it is not equal, at that time only I will copy the elements from my original array to the modified array. Otherwise, if it is equal, I will not copy the element. This was the logic they were implementing. So thank you for watching, guys. Next video, one more deletion is there. That would be how we can able to delete at the middle. Okay. So this was the position they have given, but in next video they will give one element. We have to search whether it is there or not. According to that, deletion has to be done. So that part we will discuss in next video. So if this video is useful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching.